Oh dear,
Oh dear.
that is not me.
Miss Tammy, tell us your story.
I started feeling something in my left breast back in April or May of this year, and I went to my regular doctor who it was time for my well visit, my meds, and I told her about it. She thought I should see a breast surgeon, so she referred me to one. So I went to see Dr. Spencer in Conyers, but she couldn't see me till June. Or maybe it was July. I kind of get the dates mixed up. July, she did a biopsy on my left breast, and then I was closed for a couple of weeks for vacation, so I didn't get my results till August 6th, but it came back as invasive ductal carcinoma, stage between 2 and 3. And so she then referred me to an oncologist who I started seeing in August, and she thought that we needed to start chemo prior to any surgery because of the stage and size that the tumor is. So I started chemo 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
I'm on my way to losing my hair.
Yeah. Not yet.
Not yet, but it's coming. It's been a roller coaster ride. It's been emotional. I never thought this would happen, but it has, and we're going to deal with it the best we can through prayer, support, and lovely people like you and our church.
And she has a full couch.
I do. I have my 3 daughters here, my husband, and one of my grandbabies. I'm gonna fight. They said it's curable, so we're gonna fight, and I'm ready to get it done. It's gonna be a journey, though.
It will. And you live pretty local to us.
Yes, we
So-
live in Shady Dale, Georgia.
That's great. Well, that's not too far. Tonight, we have a breast cancer support group. We meet the third Tuesday of every month, and we have a breast cancer support group. And it's ladies and men. Husbands come too. And we fill that room and lots of praise reports. So,
Amen.
I want you to come. This is Mindy.
Mindy.
This is a human hair. But look how much she looks like you.
Yeah,
And you can change the part anywhere you want to.
really.
Feels good.
I mean, it looks a lot like the way I wear my hair.
So this is Betty. See how?
Oh, I like this one.
This is Sarah.
I like that one best.
You do?
I still like Betty better.
This is synthetic. This is the crowd pleaser. That has the volume and the
That
woo.
looks like Paula Dean.
Yes. This is the 12-inch Betty. But I do have her longer if you want to look longer.
We can see what it's like, the longer one.
Yeah. All right.
Still.
I'm going to make you look
Wow.
like your daughters. All right.
Oh dear,
Oh, dear.
that is not me.
Sissy has darker
Look
hair.
how pretty. This is a long Betty.
That would be weird though to me to have hair this
Yeah.
length.
I like that 12-inch.
Yeah.
Really.
Yeah.
All right, so I got Sarah moved over to the part on your side.
I do like the color.
Every time we go back to this one. This is the one I see that you like the best.
That's Betty, right?
This is Betty. All right, Mom.
Decision made.
I got one question for you.
What?
Do you dig the wig?
I love it. I dig the wig.
Yay.
This is Tammy, take 2.
What are you doing?
You can totally go dark. It still has the
Teenager.
highlights. This is
18.
Pam.
I like it.
I like it too.
There's your blonde.
That's better.
I think that's too
I
blonde.
know, Mama. That's what I say.
No, it ain't.
But then I'm like, is it gonna look funny when I don't have a tan?
This would probably be my natural color. Like
Yeah.
Sissy.
Now you look like your other sister.
Uh-huh.
Oh God.
This is Jen.
How do you remember their name?
What's the,
That was what?
Jen.
the one I had
Jen.
on?
Uh-huh. Look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's a good color.
That was like
Yeah,
right
That's
there.
you right there.
Look at there.
Yeah.
Got any support wigs?
You could wear that.
I just need to put this on every day.
What do you think?
I love it.
So
dig the wig.
beautiful. And she's
think it looks
beautiful.
It is
Looks
beautiful.
better
Looks like
than
you have
mine.
a younger wife.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Mwah.
Thank you.
Me in 20 years.
I love you.
Love you.
Love you. Love you.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Right. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You've been precious.
Yeah.
I appreciate
Love
it.
y'all.